Hello everyone, I am Elkerina of grade 8A studying in Sri Venkateshwara Public School, CBSE Pural, Chennai. Today I made a project vending machine. The materials I used to make this project are cardboard, transparent sheet and a paper cup and some decorative items. It is optional. With these materials I made a vending machine. Now let me show you how to use this. First, in this box you can put your favorite snacks or some cooking items. Now, turn this cardboard roll here. Now you will get your food here. This is not only dry grapes, you can put any other food items that is your favorite food or any cooking items. Now, the uses of this vending machine is, in this generation, this vending machine is useful to all, especially for kids. You can also store foods like your favorite foods or cooking foods or any other food items. Now, if you buy this vending machine in the shop, it costs 1000 rupees. But I made this vending machine under 60 rupees. And this is only in waste materials like cardboard, like papers, like this materials I have used this vending machine to make. And one thing you have to remember, you should use this. You should have make this vending machine only in the waste materials like cardboard, like paper, like this materials you have to do. And also it should have be recycled and also reusable. And thank you.